going on tonight for thousands. The strong wind made it a powerless day for them, pulling Duke Energy crews into fast response mode. WLWT News 5's John London live for us from Eden Park with a look at the day-long effort to restore power. John.
Yeah, you know, Duke at one point, Mike, had 10,000 power outages to deal with, most of them in Clermont County. By noon, they had made a big dent in that number, and now they are down to their final 434. For folks like Janet Miller, the mindset at the start of this day was as unsettled as the atmosphere that greeted them.
Actually, when I left the house this morning, I told my husband no walking in the woods today.
Gusts of 40 to 50 plus erased power for thousands and put plenty of limbs in temporary jeopardy.
I did look out the window once and kind of saw a branch looking like it wanted to fall, but it didn't.
Duke Energy says falling branches onto wires pulled some meters right off of homes.
And when something like that happens, they got to get that repaired by an electrician before we can get out there and put their power back on safely.
Before Erin Bowling pushed young Anna all over town this morning, she heard from friends who lost power and couldn't blow dry their hair. There's humor in today's headwind as well.
Yeah, everybody's saying they had the wind-blown look this morning.
It is being called the November Witch, leaving garbage cans strewn all over the place, swaying flagged poles along with the extra swoosh of Old Glory. A harbinger, perhaps, of what awaits as seasons start to shift from relaxed to rough.
Winter's coming, for sure, yeah.
Yeah, winter's coming. It's midway through fall, and it's just kind of the part of what we get with seasons.
So there you have some breezy acceptance to all this from some of those we spoke with today. In parks like this one, sometimes with gusty winds, you have advisories and trails and pathways that are blocked because of the danger of falling limbs. That was deemed not necessary this morning. Reporting live in Eden Park, John London, WLWT News 5.
All right.